The ones that will particularly be impacted will be those that already are having to pay rents at like 50-60% of their income. We've had a number of instances where clients and others have contacted us already of being school security persons, waitresses, things of that nature, where basically it's sort of not even paycheck to paycheck, it's sometimes day to day. When those kinds of incomes no longer exist, it's going to be difficult to pay the rent. Incomes and rents don't match very well for a lot of people, more in the poorer communities, Detroit, Pontiac, Highland Park, places like that, but certainly not exclusively those. The main group that would be hurt would be those working folks who are in jobs that are low pay, that are at risk of losing them, very often many of them with health issues as well. Those persons on SSI with an income of about $790 a month that aren't in subsidized housing, and there's a lot of that population as well. By definition, they're disabled of some sort. So they're going to be really the crucial groups that are hit the absolute hardest. And there needs to be some recognition of that and some ability to address that in a really quick and responsible way. While there's a stay on any kind of evictions, could be a lot of folks that are facing displacement unless there's something done to provide greater rental assistance to them. But certainly the landlords are going to be hurt. There needs to be some process for providing some rental assistance to tenants and to be able to get landlords paid, where landlords certainly deserve to be paid. Once this is over in terms of any process that the court uses to halt the evictions, over in terms of the whole crisis, my God, that could be obviously many, many months. So there really does need to be an across-the-board moratorium on evictions combined with some realistic plan for how do you help those who are not able to pay rent, so that the landlords as well do not end up bearing the brunt of it, and because we're going to need rental housing once this is done.